Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Lady Akanksha. So in today's video, we will be talking about 5 must-have products from Maybelline that every single girl must own. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have been using Maybelline for so long now, I can't even remember, and Maybelline is like my favorite makeup brand and I just can't get enough of their products, you guys. If we are talking about Maybelline, then we have to include the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this foundation is like my holy grail, you guys. Since I have started using makeup, this is the foundation that I'm using. You actually get 2 types of packaging. This is like the full size packaging. You get 30 grams of products here and it retails for 550 rupees. Now since this one is an old one, so I do not have the pump dispenser here, but if you buy the Fit Me foundation like the full size right now, you also get the pump dispenser on top of the mouth. So this is really good, this is really convenient to dispense the product. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude in the full size one. I also have the tiny one. It's a tube packaging. You get 18 ml products and it retails for 299 rupees. This one I have in the shade 220 Natural Beige. This is like a neutral color and this one is a warm tone color shade. And this foundation, you guys, it is so good. It is completely matte. It does not crease or get heavy, and it does not even get oily in summers, so you do not need to worry about it. And also you do not need to set it with a powder because, as I said, it is completely matte. It does oxidize a little bit, just a tad bit, otherwise it is good to go. For people with extremely dry skin, I would suggest that you add a little bit of moisturizer or any BB cream with the foundation, then apply it. And otherwise you can also split a little bit of face mist or some sort of a setting spray after getting done with your foundation. That way it is gonna melt your foundation completely, and then you are gonna be left with a very evened out skin. And yeah, that's the only thing that I feel about the product. Otherwise it is amazing. Grab this foundation if you are in search of an affordable foundation. If you are a beginner with makeup, this is what you need. Also you get 16 shades in this full size one, and I guess 6 or 8 in the tiny one, which I'm pretty sure they'll come up with all the 16 shades in their tiny packaging as well. Next up, I have a product that I have been loving recently. So this is their Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I don't know how I was surviving without this powder for so long. If you have watched my latest Nykaa haul, I have talked about this powder there. This is amazing, okay? This is simply amazing. This is a tinted loose powder. You get 4 shades in this, 15 light, 20 light medium, 25 medium and 30 deep. Now the shade range is sort of very limited, but you do not need to worry at all. Pick the one which is the nearest to your skin shade and it's gonna suit you perfectly because it is a translucent sort of a powder, right? It gives you some amount of tint. This does not need to match your skin tone completely, like ekdam precisely bilkul. It does not need to match with your skin tone. So yeah, it is very good that way, and it retails for 675 rupees or 695 rupees, and 20 gram of product is what you get. Packaging is so amazing, so sleek. You just need to twist the lid like so, and this is how it opens. This is the product. It comes out here through these tiny holes. You can dispense it on the lid and then use it with your brush or beauty blender or with your fingers, whichever way you prefer. I know it might be a little expensive for some people, like 695 rupees for just a powder. But trust me, you guys, for the quantity and the quality of the product, it's like a paisa vasool product, you guys. Do give it a try if you if you are okay with spending 695 rupees for a powder. The third product is yet another holy grail of mine from Maybelline. This is their Lash Sensation mascara. I guess this mascara is every single girl's favorite, and this is like a true must have from Maybelline, you guys, if you quote me on that. I have this in the washable variant, and again, it does not really comes off if you splash water on your face. You need to, of course, rub it and then it comes off. So again, big thumbs up for that. The wand is amazing. It is so sleek and it really coats every individual lash of yours and gives you that fluttery look to your eyelashes. And the packaging also pretty cute. It's a mauvey pinky sort of a color, and this a very unique sort of a shape of the packaging. And the price and the quantity I will be mentioning on the screen because it is not mentioned on the tube and I don't remember it as well. So yeah, you get it in 2 different variants, the waterproof and the washable, which I have. please grab this mascara, you guys. If you are getting mascara for the very first time, please get your hands on this. You won't regret at all. I have tried purchasing or trying out different mascaras from different brands like L'Oreal or Lakme or Benefit as well, but then I again come back to this because I don't know, it has just got into me and I can't get enough of this mascara. The next product is again one of my recent favorites. It is their Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. You also get another shade which is like a pinky shade. Now this is how it looks. I'm not showing you this right now because I broke it, and if I open it and show you now, it's gonna go all over the place. So I will definitely try to fix it and then give you sort of a close-up look of the product, so don't worry on that. And you get 6.7 grams of products and it retails for 550 rupees, which is pretty affordable for the quality of the product that you're getting. It's amazing. It is not at all chunky. It is so creamy. It is like a buttery soft highlighter. This is not gonna go, you know, very in your face sort of a highlighter. It is a very natural dewy finish wali highlighter. The fifth and the last product that I have is a gel eyeliner from Maybelline. So this is how it looks. It comes in this tiny little glass tub. It is so cute and so amazing at the same time. This has to be my most favorite and my most used, most loved gel eyeliner or eyeliner in general. Because you know, I would choose a gel eyeliner over a liquid eyeliner any day, anytime, because it is so easy and so convenient to use. You know, liquid eyeliners are pretty difficult to work with. They go all over the place and it's very difficult to handle and precisely draw the eyeliner, but it's not the case with this one. This is so good, and because it's a gel kind of a consistency, it is so easy to blend, so easy to draw. So you know, you should definitely try a gel eyeliner. You are never gonna go back to a liquid eyeliner if you try this once. And yeah, it might seem that it has very little amount of product, but quote me on this, you guys, it lasts you forever. I'm not even kidding you. I have this for 5 years now and it has already expired, but it does not give me any sort of reaction or allergy, so I'm still using it. I know I am guilty of that, but still I use it. And yeah, you get this brush applicator with it, which is pretty good for applying a very bold look, like a very bold eyeliner. But if you want a very precise, a very thin liner, then it is not gonna work. You need to get another thin brush for that. But otherwise, if we ignore the brush, this product in itself is so amazing. And of course, if you vigorously rub your fingers or anything for that matter on top of the eyeliner, it is gonna smudge a little, right? But it's not plastic. But if you splash water on your face, it's not gonna come off. You need to take it off with a makeup remover or an oil for that matter. So yeah, I just love this. So yes, you guys, those were all my top 5 products from Maybelline that every girl must own. If you have any more products in your mind, then do let me know in the comments below. I would really love to know it from you guys. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you people like this and you found it helpful. If you did, then please give this a big thumbs up and also share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.